Hello, I am Michael Keugeler, Sub-Saharan Africa General Manager for AWS, and I'm thrilled to welcome you today to the AWS Summit Online for Europe, Middle East and Africa. Since 2016, the AWS Summit in South Africa is our annual meeting and one of the most important times of the year for the AWS teams, as it is an opportunity to connect and deliver educational sessions with our customers and partners. This year we cannot meet in person, but this did not prevent us from creating new technical content and engaging activities for you. We have developed a schedule with more than 55 sessions covering all levels of technical depth and a broad diversity of use cases. The AWS team has a long history in South Africa and has been working to support the growth of the local technology community for over 15 years. The launch of the AWS Africa Cape Town region is a continuation of our investment to support the growth of Sub-Saharan Africa. Amazon first established a presence in Cape Town, setting up a development center in 2004 to build pioneering technologies, including the technology behind Amazon EC2 and much more. In 2015, Amazon expanded its presence in the country, opening an AWS office in Johannesburg with significant and growing teams of account managers, business development managers, customer service representatives, partner managers, professional services consultants, solutions architects, technical account managers, and many more, all to help customers of all sizes as they move to the cloud. In 2017, the Amazon Global Network expanded to Africa to AWS Direct Connect, and in 2018, Amazon established its first infrastructure on the African continent, launching Amazon CloudFront locations in Johannesburg and Cape Town in South Africa, followed in 2020 by an edge location in Nairobi in Kenya. Our local AWS team is here to support you with the practical things you can do on AWS today to ensure your systems are secure, resilient, and reliable. In a world with ever-increasing workload demands, we are here to help you to scale and optimize your cloud infrastructures. AWS Cloud is all about giving builders freedom and control over their own destiny. It's about giving them confidence that if they come up with an idea that can really change their organization, they'll be able to make it happen. AWS customers are taking advantage of the cloud while ensuring that their company's data remains secure and meets compliance requirements. The AWS Africa region launched with the International Organization for Standardization, the ISO certifications. Customers can use the AWS Africa region to further strengthen security posture and environments with the ISO certified services available. Teams are able to turn their focus to critical growth areas for their business, such as machine learning, for example, and take advantages of the training opportunities with AWS to level up their skills. At AWS, we think that cloud computing is an opportunity for public organizations and private companies, whatever their size is on the African continent, as well as for people who want to embrace a career in IT. Today, there are tens of thousands of active customers in Sub-Saharan Africa. Our customers are truly exceptional. I'm constantly amazed by the way companies of all sizes are taking advantage of cloud to innovate rapidly. So many businesses are completely reinventing their customer experience with AWS and fundamentally changing the way they operate. This is because our customers love to take on new challenges and invent new ways of doing things. I think this is why today, more than ever before, I see our customers rising to the challenge presented by this global pandemic. Here are just a few of their stories. Absa Group, which provides a range of banking and investment services across Africa, is migrating its technology services to AWS, while also shifting from proprietary software to open source. This digital transformation will help the bank reduce licensing and consulting costs and spend more on developing local talent and helping the regional economy. I would also like to highlight that with over 43 million South Africans relying on the country's public health service, the National Institute of Communicable Diseases, or the NICD, has to ensure that citizens have access to the vital COVID-19 information that they need to assess their risk and get tested. To avoid concerns about scaling to demand, the NICD uses govchat.org, South Africa's largest civic engagement platform and an essential service during the pandemic, which runs completely on AWS. As another example, let me highlight Ozo, a payments platform that enables merchants to initiate payments through SMS, e-commerce, e-billing, or QR codes. With the capacity to handle up to 2,000 concurrent transactions at a time, Ozo has supported multiple fundraising initiatives to combat the impact of COVID-19 by providing free payment services to institutions as the Solidarity Fund, which raised more than 500 million rand in its first week. Every imaginable vertical business segment is using AWS in the cloud in a meaningful way. For example, in financial services, you see it with Old Mutual, Standard Bank and Time Bank, and Jumo, and many more. In life sciences and healthcare, you see it with the National Department of Health. In manufacturing with Data Profit. In energy with Apex Innovation. And you also see it in the public sector, where we have many government agencies, academic institutions and non-profits worldwide using AWS. Check out the public sector breakout sessions for more on this. With almost every customer I meet, many tell me the reason they choose AWS is because of the freedom of choice, flexibility, and ability to scale globally while increasing their security posture. When they decide to move to the cloud and close their data center, what they are explaining to us is that they trust AWS's scale to allow significant investment in security features and rapid product and service innovation to meet their demands. They don't have to do the heavy lifting anymore and are now able to focus on innovation, not on undifferentiated infrastructure operations. I would like to take this time to also thank our partners. AWS has an amazing partner network that supports our customers with their unique cloud journeys. I encourage you to visit the Partner Discovery Zone area and learn more about partners and their competencies. One local hero, for example, the AWS Partner Network partner Silicon Overdrive, worked with one of South Africa's largest research universities, the University of Witwatersrand, to migrate its Sakai learning management systems to the AWS Cloud. AWS's availability, scalability, security and compliance has enabled WITS to provide uninterrupted access to Sakai and meet demand during the COVID-19 national lockdown. The AWS region in Africa is now live. This region will enable businesses and government organizations, including those focused on fighting the effects of COVID-19, to build cloud applications and store their data locally, while reaching end users across Africa with even lower latency. Customers can leverage the benefits of AWS to start their own businesses, drive innovation, build new products and help services and help citizens across Africa. People who want to move to the cloud often understand the value but don't know where to start. You may be one of them. You know that in order to stay competitive in your industry, you have to continuously innovate, invest in new technologies and rethink how you deliver services and experience to your customers. But where do you start? It starts with conviction and a plan with clear timelines, priorities and goals. Something that I learned from my customers is that how the journey to the cloud is only possible with a strong investment in sharing with your team and training the talent you already have. It is important to ask the questions, dive deep and build a safe journey to the cloud. It is my hope that all of you, our customers and future cloud users, will enjoy this moment of learning at the AWS Summit Online. Let's have a quick look at today's content and offerings. Following the keynote with Werner Vogels, Amazon.com CTO, the Summit Online agenda will let you choose between 55 technical sessions delivered by AWS experts, organized around 11 tracks. To make your navigation easier, we group sessions based on your role, like I'm an IT architect, or I'm DevOps, or I'm a data scientist, etc. Once you identify the main sessions you want to attend, stay curious and look at the sessions proposed to other roles, as you might find relevant content for you there too. Let me highlight one session in particular. At 12:55, our local developer advocate Cobus Bernard is presenting a live coding session with containers on the I want to read and write code track. Please attend. There are also various activities to explore during the summit. Browse through local customer stories, ask your questions to AWS experts, participate in the AWS Deep Racer, challenge, broaden your cloud knowledge in the skill zone, or find out more about exciting offerings. Make sure to tune into Werner's keynote. And with this, thank you very much for joining us today. Enjoy the training and stay safe.